Hey, Dewy.McDonald here with Guarantee RV. I got a brand new 2019 Lance truck camper. It's called a 650. It's made for half tons. Let's go inside and take a peek. Not a lot of options for a half-ton camper. Got a nice big grab handle. Actually, it's a little high here. The steps, you gotta get a step going in. Lance makes a nice quality camper. Right there you've got your stove, microwave, your cabinetry above it, cooktop, your control center. You got a nice entrance to get up in the bed. You got storage cabinet on each side, refrigerator up there in the corner. You got reading lights, LEDs, speakers throughout. You got your LEDs on top, your high definition antenna, air conditioning on top. Then here on the right you got some more cabinets above storage. Above there you got a little egress window for access. You got your U-shaped dinette that turns into a bed for you. Underneath you got plug-ins for 110 outlet charging station. Here's your lights. So when you're entering, you can control your lights all from in here. Inside there, your bathroom, shower. So nice little camper. Like I said, you don't got a whole lot of options. So there's no slides. I mean, they're trying to keep weight down, but it's a great little camper for a half-ton pickup. On the outside here, they got a manual awning with LED lights above us. Your propane tanks go in here. Right there. You've got automatic jacks, power plug, power 110 outlet in the back, storage compartment there. Storage compartment there. Outdoor shower, more plug-in for your shore power. And then here's your heater. So in the front here, it's actually got a drip rail. So like if it's on your truck, you know, and it's pouring down rain, you're getting water coming in, it actually runs out the side, which is nice. There's easy access to your batteries. So like if you're gonna need some power outside to charge something, even like a solar panel or something, you can hook it right onto your battery right there. Nice camper. You got a gel cap front end. You know, Lance makes good quality side. The side on this side with that window, access window, then you've got an electric awning on this side, scissors out. But Lance laser cuts their cabinets. You don't see any seams in their cabinetry. Just a well-built camper. They've been around for a long time. So if you're looking for campers, toy haulers, fifth wheels, trailers, you name it, we sell it all here. I can help you with anything. Dewy.McDonald here, Guarantee RV.